right, today we're going to be installing the Tyger soft roll-up tonneau cover. We previously did the tri-fold, so we're going to go ahead and get this soft roll-up installed. We have the 5.5 foot bed on this SR5 Tundra, so we're going to put 3 on each side. Now we open this up. You'll see you have the attachments for the utility rail. These just slide into the utility rail. Out of the box, they come with a different attachment on it, so I'll go ahead and take this U-shape off and put the utility rail adapter on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to mock up each side rail, and we're going to take the bed cover and set it up there. And there are 2 screws, one on each side, that kind of hold the soft roll up to each side rail. Alright, so as you can see, got a little bit of a channel here. The edge of the side rail will slide right into that. And then once that is in place, we grab our Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it a little bit, just to kind of lock it in place there. Now we're going to go ahead and install 3 of these brackets on each utility rail. Push in this little tab here, the end cap pulls right out, and then we're just going to slide this directly in there, just like that. The top part of this slides directly into the side rail for the bed cover. Put one towards the front, one in the middle, one in the back, and we'll be ready to tighten it down. When you're tightening this last piece, you want to make sure to give it a little push outward, because it will naturally draw inward, and you want to just keep the bed rail positioning, or the side rail for the soft tonneau cover, consistent from the front to the back. By the way, good reminder to put your end cap back on. But now we'll go ahead and close it. As you can see, you got these support beams here that go across. They just fit flushly into the side rail from the tonneau cover. And go ahead and keep rolling it. Now, I will say, obviously, a little more steps to unroll and roll than tri-fold, but at the end of the day, it's a lot more simple, and it locks into place just like that. Looks pretty good. For 200 bucks, I'd say you can't beat it. All you have to do is, you can pull one or the other. I usually just grab both. Releases. Look at your full bed. And that is what was bothering me with the tri-fold. Now, when the bed cover's closed and you want to close your tailgate, you should have no issues. As you can see, it's a nice tight fit, not much play in it. Good looking bed cover. So I've already had the tonneau cover installed for over a week, and we already ran into a situation where the extra bed access mattered. We picked up a swinging bench off Facebook Marketplace. If I would have had the tri-fold, it would have blocked off a third of the bed, and I would have had to take it out to fit it in there. So with this, as you can see, we get full unobstructed bed access, and it gets out of the way, and it covers it up nice. For 200 bucks, you can't beat it. If this video helped you out, consider giving me a sub, like the video, keep an eye out for more Tundra videos.